Welcome to our paper presentation for the ICSE 2020 demonstrations track. We present VITALSE, a visualization tool for biometric data in software engineering. Software engineering research has entered the neuro age. Recent research in empirical software engineering is applying techniques from neurocognitive science, and it's breaking new grounds in the ways that researchers can model and analyze the cognitive processes of developers as they interact with software artifacts. Researchers in the domain borrow techniques and tools from neurocognitive science, like brain imaging and eye tracking technology, to model these cognitive processes. However, given the novelty of this intersectional research, there are no tools to support the multimodal nature of the data being collected. Researchers need tools to help them analyze and visualize biometric data, like gaze fixations and cognitive load, as they change over time, and as a developer reads source code or interacts with different software artifacts. VITALSE was born out of this need and has several highly customizable and interactive features. For example, it is the first tool to support synchronized biometric data for source code elements, and it displays this data as a heat map over the source code. The heat map supports temporal brushing for time-specific analysis. VITALSE also allows researchers to annotate points of interest in their experiment data, and it displays custom metrics to support their analysis. Here is the main screen of VITALSE. I already loaded a sample dataset which contains the eye tracking and brain imaging data of a participant reading a C# file. In this example, we are using data from an FNIR device. The main area displays the source code artifact used in the experiment, along with a gaze heat map overlay. A graph of the FNIR data can be found at the bottom. The heat map can be customized. This mapping, as well as the mapping of the data to the line graph, is completely customizable. Once configured, you can temporally explore the data. The heat map and the line graph are synchronized along the time axis. We can brush a portion of the line graph, and the heat map is updated to reflect the data captured in the time frame selected. VITALSE also allows researchers to select and annotate portions of the source code. These annotations can be used to highlight areas of interest and then saved and used for further analysis. The annotation feature combined with the visualization make VITALSE very useful for conducting post-experiment interviews. Researchers can visually analyze the data to gain insights that inform the questions asked in the post-experiment interviews. And the source code can be annotated directly to incorporate participant responses as well as researchers' notes.